For this pollinator science unit, we're going to be using a product called Lumio, which is just basically the newer version of Smart Notebook. To get a copy of the Lumio that goes with the unit, simply go click on the Lumio pollinator unit, and let's open up that link. Here you can get a little preview of what the links entail, so every link is set up by the unit. But what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to save it to your library. Now, if you've never been on Lumio or you're signed out, it's not a big deal. We're just going to have to sign you in. So let's save this to our library. And it's just going to ask you to teacher sign in. Simply put in Canada. Click confirm. And I've already been signed in, so it kind of recognizes who I am based on the computer I'm using. So you may have to type in your email address with your account number. It'll then start saving to your Lumio library. Now you can hit start or edit. If you go to start, that kind of takes you to the live view, or you can edit. Because this is your own copy, you will be able to add on to this if you see fit, or when you're done, you just click finish editing and it'll be saved in your account here. One thing I do recommend if you want to, I always give it a little star to bookmark it, and then I'll know exactly what it is. You can put it on your bookmarks bar or wherever you like. Now that's in your account, what we're going to do is, as you go through the slideshow in Google Slides, you'll notice that there are little bee icons. That's the Lumio symbol. So as you go down and do things in your class, so for instance, here's a video, and then you record and reflect on what you saw in the video, you'll notice that little bee symbol. That means that there is a coinciding Lumio slide that will go along with this one too. So let's go and see what that looks like. Now, all the Lumio slides are also coinciding with the colors. So if I go down, there you can see it's the exact same one I use in Google Slides. The nice thing about this is now I have a pen that if I wanted to, I can either do this from a computer, or if I have a smartboard, I can use the pens here. I can add words, and then I can even point and move things around. So there are a lot of different activities in here, not just reflecting and adding things, but you can actually go in and there are some fun activities for the students to work on to get a little bit of a formative assessment to see if they understand what is going on. So you can see this one is simply a drag and drop, and there's a couple of fun activities just like that. So as you can see, Lumio is really easy to use. Just go through the slides, see where they coordinate with the Google Slides, and I always give a little activity starter here to tell you how to do the certain things that are coming up. And that's how you use Lumio.